Okay, we're back. Yes, we appreciate you guys. We have break 600. One box of Heritage. Yeah, I know.
Lots of baseball.
A lot of baseball tonight. All right, we have a lot of that were unsold, so that's what the blanks mean. Jonathan J. Diamondbacks, Jacob C. Braves, Jonathan J. Orioles, Gavin B. with the Cubs, Gavin B. with the Guardians, Paul R. with the Tigers, David R. Astros, KCW Angels, Gavin B. Dodgers, Gavin B. Marlins, Michael M. Twins, Gavin B. Yankees, Chris M. Mets, Michael M. Giants, Paul R. Mariners, Tony L. Cardinals, Michael M. Rays, Gavin B. Rangers, and Joe D. Jays. All right.
If anyone wants all those unsold teams, $10
$10 gets you all the other teams
if you want it.
if you're interested. Oh, I just saw Nightbot say something. Does that mean
That's automatic.
Oh. I was gonna say who's awakened the beast? Oh boy. Hey, why not have a top box topper of Mr. Mike Trout? Casey. Get yourself a Mike Trout. Cool. Oh, these are like wax. I've never opened this before. This is interesting. I don't even know what I'm looking for. But we'll find out together.
You want to take them, David?
David, they're yours.
Sweet. I will enter the PayPal here. And then you are we don't have Cash App, but we got Zelle or PayPal, whichever one you prefer.
Oh wow, these are old school. Crap. These are.
Doesn't Heritage stand for something? Heritage?
Does it?
I don't know.
You asking or telling
Word
me? Are you
heritage?
telling me something right now?
Heritage.
It's Heritage. Pull out the rookies so you can penny sleeve them at least. Give them the proper attention they don't deserve. Got to be something in here, right? I've never opened this, so if anybody has sees me pass on something that's like, "Hey, dude, back up," please let me know. Numbers or something, or
The
autos. Okay. I don't even know if
black borders. Here, something like that. Red border.
So red border, black border, flip stock. Okay. I don't know what that means. Okay.
Flashbacks, something like that.
Okay.
You'll notice.
You'll know when you know. So what's the address for the? Are you in this break, David? Do you have any teams? Because I didn't see a David unless you go by another name.
You have it now.
Cooper.
Not too bad, right? What?
I don't. Yeah, they're easy because they're very. What's it called? Slippery.
Tyler's up.
Tyler's up.
Well, he's to me on.
Oh. Maybe he's just not feeling well. Why are you bothering the guy? Ooh, how about an Aaron Judge? Game used. Memorabilia. Gavin. That work? 1474 was a good year. You have received a Clubhouse Collection relic card. There you go. Oh, Aaron Judge. Little relic there. Nice. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, that's right. I'm sorry, David. I totally. That's my bad. I see your name. All right, there's a little cool thing. Totally my bad. There's so many names missing. It's throwing me off a little bit. All right, so I may have to step away to grab a call. What the hell? That was cool though, little Aaron Judge heritage thing. Now let me put. What up, Tyler? What's going on, man? We're gonna say that David all unsold. So there you go, David. You're getting all the unsold as well. Assume you got the email to send the $10. You okay, buddy? Are you did you just nap, or hopefully you're not sick or anything? Relax, pack better. So here we go. Get through this stack here real quick. Dun, dun, dun. All card ship. We'll plenty sleeve those rookies, and then obviously top load anything that's relic, auto, and such if we get any, other than that Aaron Judge relic, which is cool. What do we got here? We got an Ohtani? Is this one of those reverse or whatever they call them? That's what this would be. So this was backwards, so I assume this is something. Is this one of those reverses or whatever? Everybody's got their name. Yeah, I think it doesn't have the city. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go.
Ohtani?
Yeah, there's no city. So I assume that's some kind of a variation of sorts. It was backwards, so.
Tyler's here.
He's here. He
Sorry,
just said hello.
Sorry, I had to step away.
Oh, listen. I understand. I slowed down for you. Don't fret.
Slow motion.
Oh boy.
Hey Tyler. What is it? Car broke down trying to stop the knife. Trying to stop the knife. Why are you trying to stop it? Oh, it's okay, man. Don't worry about it.
Car broke down.
What was last week's excuse?
Oh, his dog tripped some kind of electricity wire, and he lost power, and then his
that's 2 weeks in a row we got an excuse, right?
Yeah, like no, I think there's something else too. Toilet flooded. No, his key broke in the lock. That was the other one.
Get those. We'll hit you with those attendance points, man.
Yeah.
When you're late for work, you get a bunch of points. You get fired.
Yeah. Nothing was as good as, hey, I had to see the end of that fucking Wheel of Fortune episode. You know. That was a good one. Gotta respect the man for it, though.
By the way, thank you, David. We got the payment. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you can look through who has them first.
Let me figure that out in a second here. Get through this Jackola. Well, we had that nice relic of whatchamacallit. Yeah, so this one doesn't have a city on it either. I guess you don't need one for Angels.
Maybe it's Angels.
Yeah, but I don't know why that one was backwards. It's got to be. Maybe it's here. So here's the deal. That one, maybe that's an alternative, right? Because this is basically both Ohtani cards.
Yeah, because there's.
So that must be like the whatever they called it.
Definitely.
Yeah. You just agreeing with whatever I say? All right, so let's take a look at these and see what's majority rules here. So we got Miami, 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 Miami. So I think this goes to Miami. This one was Pittsburgh, Detroit, Cleveland, Cleveland. So I think Cleveland will get this one. This is Gavin. And Detroit is all right, and then Pittsburgh is no, all right. So this will go Cleveland, Cleveland, Cleveland. All right. Anyway,
Image variation, bottom left.
image variation of Shohei Ohtani was
bottom left corner on the back.
Bottom left corner on the back. Oh, it says image. Yeah, it says image. Okay, cool. And then we have a nice relic of Mr. Aaron Judge, game used memorabilia. Nothing wrong with that. So those were the two hits, and then that's it. So we'll be right back with break 601.
Thanks, everyone.